Well, hey guys, let's do something fun today. So today we're going to be kind of like moving over some funds from my savings challenges, which in one in particular, my dine out or not savings challenge, and we're going to be moving that to my alpha savings challenge. I'll explain that a little bit later. So if you want to stay and check that out, stay tuned. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. So before we get into that, hey guys, my name is Tina. I do different type of budgeting videos, savings challenges, zero-based budgets, reviews, all of that good stuff. And if you have not already hopped over and joined the family, make sure that you click on that subscribe button and then also click on the notification bell to make sure that you don't miss any of these videos. And plus, you know what? I would love to have you as the fam, and you guys know. So we can have some fun over here. And my nail is stuck in my shirt. All right, so like I said, this is going to be a super quick video. We're just going to do a little bit of fun. I'm going to take some coin out of my wallet and put it into my coin envelopes. And let's get started. And like I said, I'll explain. Okay. All right. So the first thing we want to do is that we need to update. So if you have this challenge already, go ahead, pull it out. I want to know where you are with this challenge and how you did this week. So basically this is reusable, so I'm just gonna pretty much, today is Sunday and we actually cooked out on the Blackstone, so eating out is not going to be a priority. If I get hungry, y'all know them leftovers is gonna be eaten, whatever you want to call it. But I'm going back in there, get me some scoop of hibachi, and I'm going to eat that. So I know we are super done with this. All right, so for this week, and I'm gonna explain what we're doing here. So what I got going on here for the dining out or not savings challenge. So my thought process is during the week, when you eat out, you usually spend like $10 a day. Some people spend 15, some people spend 20, but I'm just going with 10. But if I wanted to do a different amount, if I feel like I spend 14, I would have put it here, but I just did the automatic amount of $10. So Monday I didn't eat out, that's $10. So instead of, because that money would have been gone anyway, so I just had $10 and I didn't take it out every single day. A couple days I just took out like $30 to put in here, or I might have took out like 20, just so I'm not keep going back and forth being all extra with it, you know what I'm saying? All right, so Monday and Tuesday didn't do good because we had Kings Island, but that is okay. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday, which is today, which I told you I am not going out, so I'm going to do $10 here. And so let me go ahead and get my money. So I have actually $20 in here that I can put towards the savings challenge. So the money that I have for this weekly challenge, let's just call it a weekly challenge, I'm just going to move it over to my alpha savings challenge. So this will be 10, and then this is just an extra $10 that I had in there, so I'm going to put that there. But before we go into the alpha savings challenge, we are going to do, so we save 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, y'all. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So in my mind, I'm like, so you need to tell me during the week when I make those quick, like random stops, I'm spending like $40, $60. And if I didn't make it this day, I would have spent $70. I would have saved $70. So this is just, I guess it's just an eye opener. So it makes me want to save and not want to eat out. So I made sure that I meal prepped. I made sure that when I went home on lunch, I made something there. If I wanted some snacks, I made sure I just popped some popcorn in the microwave, or I just put like some little chips in a bag and took it back with me. Knowing usually I would be like, nah, I'm just going to stop and grab me a couple sodas when I have a case of sodas downstairs. I don't get it. All right, so this right here, we're going to go ahead and wipe all of this off. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and wipe this off. All right, so we are pretty much done. So that's why I love this being reusable, because we can just put it in for the next week. And we can start over tomorrow, right? Okay, so we are done here. Let's go ahead and see what we have. I guess I should have used my cash tray. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70. So this is what we would have had for the week. I seriously don't think I need my cash tray. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pretty much line this up here. I think that'll be sufficient enough. Yeah, we'll just line it up here. And then after that, I'll take the coins that I have back here and I'm going to put those in my box, but we'll do that a little bit later. All right, so I usually use this here because this right here is just letters, and you just pretty much pick which letter it is, and you can put these back in there because you use the letters over. So that's the great thing about that, so you don't have to worry about sitting it to the side. Okay, so we are going to, let's go ahead and work in our Alpha Savings Challenge to see which ones we are going to be filling in. And I actually could put that in there, but I think I'm just going to work in this book to see what I have. Okay, so what I want to do, I'm trying to fill up all of the spots. So let's take a look at H. So H, we can actually do let's see what we got for H. So we can do, let's do $20 in H. So no, okay, so let's do $40 in H. So we're gonna do that. All right, so 20, 30, 40. So we're gonna put money in that and make sure that's dry. All right, so here is the H. I don't know, I just like putting it in like this, folding it down. Okay, so let's see what else we have on our list here. All right, so, because like I said, with this one, you can pick whichever, however you want to do it. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do D. So I'm gonna do $25. So D is already filled up. ABC. So since D already had, oh, all right, and since D already has the pockets already pretty much filled, so what we're going to do is actually go to our extra pocket back here. Yeah. So we're actually, see, we already have a lot in there. So we're going to actually do $25. So let's see. I want to see how much I have back here so far. So I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 42, 44, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. All right, so we got 163 already back here, which is not bad. So this is just that extra pocket that if it does not fit in these pockets here, you can just put it back there. All right, so do we have anything with $5? I see one with 6. What are we going? Oh, look here, $5. So we're gonna go to K and we're gonna do $5. So this is filling in. So we're gonna go K. Okay, here. And then we're gonna do $5. And when we do another one from K, because this is not as thick, we should be able to add another couple money back here. All right, so that's what our Alpha Savings Challenge is looking like. And we are making progress, and this right here is actually for car savings. So you can actually just write here if you want to. So you can just do car right on there, car savings, but I'm not going to put that on there though. But you can just write up here or down here or here of what you want to use this to save for. But this one right here, if you have a bunch of cash, this is pretty fun to use with that, because there's even some hearts in there that you can that I'll be able to, if I get a heart, I can play one of these letters here. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna see what change I have in my wallet, and I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that change. I don't know why I'm going in the inside of my wallet. All right, so it looks like, let me get all this out of here. Did I get everything? Trying to see if I got everything. Oh yeah, everything's out of there. All right, so we're gonna do CODAs. Oh, this is getting kind of heavy. All right, so CODAs go in there. All right. And then what else? Oh, we got pennies and dimes. We don't have any nickels. Okay. It is what it is. Oh, That does not go in there, Tina. All right, guys. I told you this is going to be super fast. I mean, I guess it wasn't that fast, but okay. So today we have switched over our sinking funds for our dine out or not. So this will help us with eating out. So I mean, it's not going to stop you from eating out, but it'll make you a little bit more conscious of saying, hey, maybe I can save that $10. And you can see how much I saved this week by putting in a little bit of effort. So I took coin from my wallet this is money that I'm spending from my cash envelope wallets, and with the envelopes in my cash envelope wallet. And then we also did the Alpha Savings Challenge. So the money that you save weekly from not eating out or just buying, splurging on stuff, you can use those to stuff your savings challenge. And like I said, this here is going to be card savings. As you can see, I had like 160 something back there, but that is not counting all of the cash that I have in these that I am working on. Ooh, got $20 back here. Working on, and then these right here are for the hearts. Okay. All right. Thank you guys so much for chilling with me. And if you have not already visited my website, it's called www.APinkeClothlife.co. Only place that I sell on. Just want to let you know that. And then also please head over into my Instagram and my TikTok. It's called APinkeClothlife, and I have a Ko-fi, and that is also called APinkeClothlife. And then, like I always say, guys, thank you so much for watching, and then till next time, guys, peace.